Playing Monopoly Go on Bluestacks. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play Monopoly Go on Bluestacks. So let's get started. First go to Google and search for Bluestacks. In the results section, you will see this link. Click on this link and you will be redirected to their website, which is bluestacks.com. Now here you simply have to click on the download button, as you can see here. After clicking on this download, it will start downloading into your device. You just have to install it afterwards. After installing it, you will see a BlueStack interface, something like that. Now, here you simply have to search for Monopoly Go and you will easily be able to install it on your device. And then you will be able to play it. That's all. That's how you will be able to play Monopoly Go on Bluestacks. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more video contents like this.